Okay, so welcome back to the channel. Sorry for not having videos for some time, but I have a small problem, and it's right behind you. The grass is a bit long, and the second problem is, well, my tractor, the blades are so unsharp, it literally doesn't cut anymore. I mean, it cuts, but it just smears everything, so I need to find a plan to sharpen the blades. So let's do that. So, I have no idea how to lift this thing. And somehow I do need to get under the blades to take them out and put them in the grinder, or how you call that. So yeah, let's try to do something with this. Okay, so I just found out something. This is very easy to tilt to any direction. So the plan is, I'm going to take some bricks, I'm going to lift up the tractor, put a brick under it, and then do the last one, and then just keep adding bricks until there's enough space for me to take the blades off. So let's do that. Okay, so let's do that plan, and I will do this with the help of my mom. Okay, we will get a piece of clothing so I can go under there, and yeah, we'll wrench on it. Okay, so what did we learn in this amount of time? That the screw that's supposed to hold the blades does not have anything on it. It's just round. You cannot grab it with anything. And the underside of the cover is filled with grass shavings and dirt and everything. So we will clean that, and I will just come with the angle grinder and just do some crazy sharpening under the tractor. Okay, so here in the shed, I take this angle grinder. This is my newest because I have 4 other ones. And let's change the disc. For all of you that have never done this before, you need your angle grinder key. You take it like this, you put this in like this, you press the button on the back until it locks when you rotate it, and then with force, you open it anti-clockwise. And done. That's gone. I'll take this sanding disc, put it in like that, screw this on, and tighten it. And that's how you tighten and use an angle grinder. Yay! Okay, let's do this. Okay, so do not try this if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so it is fully clean, and I can commit genocide on all the grass in my garden. Is I'm going to just quickly cut all of the tall grass with like the highest setting this has, and then later when there's no rain, I'm going to go very deep. Like I want 2 centimeter tall grass, and I'm going to cut it to that length to make it very nice. This is just so all of this insane weed is gone. I have lots of weed. I love weed. That was a joke. Okay, so the grass has been trimmed to a manageable level now. This will be made very nice later once it's dry. But now all of these things that I cannot cut with the mower, I'm gonna go over with the weed whacker or string trimmer or weed eater or whatever you wanna call it. Wait, does it have fuel inside? Oh my god, I'm retarded. I didn't put any fuel inside. There have been way too many problems with this. I stabbed myself with a screwdriver, but don't mind that. I changed the trimming line to steel. So if this snaps for the second time, I'm just gonna give up and never clean my lawn up ever again. Never. Okay, I think I just give up. This is not cutting anymore. I do not know why. Maybe it's because it ripped again. The main part of the garden is nice, which is what I was going for. So now I have million years of work related to raking everything together, because now the entire garden is covered in this grass layer, which is not nice because it's raining. So I'll do that. But what you need to know, yeah, I think I'm done. Maybe. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked the end result of all this cutting. It was quite hard to do because it was raining, and all of that was even harder to do because the grass was this tall, but I liked the end result. I hope you like it too, and have a great day.